Welcome. Today's practice, we're going to start with some breathing. Our first breath is going to be alternate side of the nostril breathing. So we'll take our hands in the aloha position and we'll use our thumb for our right nostril and our pinky for our left nostril, and then we'll go back and forth each side. Okay, now we'll start with our thumb on our right nostril. Inhale through your left. Close off your left with your pinky. Exhale through the right. And switch sides. And you'll alternate back and forth, inhaling through one nostril and exhaling through the other. We'll do this for a few rounds. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now we'll come to a normal breath. Now we'll move into square pose. Take your right leg, your right foot on top of your left knee, and place your hands on your lap. You can come into a mudra or just put your hands in a comfortable position. And we'll inhale for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. And go a few rounds on your own. Now we'll switch to crossing of the legs. And we'll come back to our square breathing. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. And breathe a few rounds on your own. Uncross the legs, and we'll windshield wiper a little bit. And we're going to come into hero's pose, and we're going to do an archer's breath. In archer's breath, we pretend like we have an imaginary bow and arrow. And so you're going to go through the motions as a bow and arrow. Pull your arm back. Exhale. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. So we're inhaling on the pull back, and when you focus, you're gonna hold, and then you're gonna exhale it all out. So we inhale for 6, hold for 4, and then drop. That's what we're doing. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold. Exhale it all out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we'll take our bow and arrow to the other direction. Last time. We'll come back to our normal breath. Come up to hands and knees. Then we'll extend the left leg back, tuck the toes, press back on the heels. Switch legs. And we'll bring our big toes together and our knees as wide as the mat for a child's pose. Slowly come up and move into a cobra or up dog. Breathe. And back into a child's pose. Back up to your cobra or up dog. Back to your child's pose. Slowly come up. Extend your hands to the top corners of the mat and melt your heart down for your puppy pose. Slowly come up. Inhale the right arm up and under the left for thread the needle. Extend your left arm up to the top corner of the mat or take a bind if you'd like. Slowly come up. Inhale the right arm up and down. Inhale the left arm up and under the right for thread the needle. Slowly come up. And we'll move onto our backs and settle in for our Shavasana. Bring one hand to your heart and one hand to your belly. Breathe. Notice how you feel. Begin to wiggle the fingers and the toes, waking up, stretching out the body. Turn over to your side in a fetal position. Show yourself gratitude for this practice, for making it through 14-day journey. Yay! I'm so proud of you. And you should be proud of you too, because you did it.